Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to drop all the sample schemas which I have installed in Oracle database 12c. So this video will be useful for the people still using Oracle database 12c. So now let us see how to drop all the schemas. Okay, so here this is the demo directory. Under that schema you can see that all the SQL files are got extracted. Okay, so under that drop underscore sch.sql. So this file only is going to be executed. So this file, what it will doing, it will drop all the user, that is it will drop all the schema, HR, OE, PM, sales history, everything. Okay, so before executing this query, I am showing all the database are alive, that is I can able to connect to all schema. So this is HR schema. Let me connect to sales history. Okay, so HR, sales history, everything I can able to log in. Okay, so now I am going to execute this query, drop underscore sch.sql, which is already extracted under demo schema directory. Okay, so before connecting to sqlplus, this is the configuration of my tnsnames.ora file. So I have configured the orclpdb, that is pluggable database instance accessories in tnsnames.ora. Okay, now let me open the sqlplus sysset orclpdb as sysdba. So I can directly able to connect to pluggable database instance because I have added the entry in tnsnames.ora file. Okay, now I am going to execute this drop schema.sql, drop underscore sch.sql. Okay, provide the values. So it's asking for system password. Provide the system password. Connect string, that is orclpdb I am giving as connect string. Okay, spool file, I am giving some name to the spool file. Yes, that's all. So I executed the query. You can see that all the 6 users, HR, OE, PM, IX, SH and BA, so all 6 schemas are dropped. So let me verify in SQL developer once again. Let me try to connect HR. Yes, I am unable to connect. Next, let me try to connect SH, that sales history database. Yes, I am unable to connect. So all the schemas, that is all the sample schemas which was running in Oracle database 12c is dropped. Okay, so make sure that you have extracted that drop underscore sch.sql in demo schema directory. Okay.